Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. You may have heard the old saying, great companies are founded by great people. Well, Sherline Products Incorporated is no exception. Sherline exists because of the strength and vision of Joe Martin and the team he assembled right here in Vista, California. He was a craftsman and entrepreneur who was never satisfied with the products available, so he would design and manufacture his own. Early sales came from the hobby craftsman market for manually controlled mills and lathes. However, in the past 2 decades, the focus has been on building computer-controlled machines for manufacturing markets like the medical industry, the aerospace industry, laser marking, and more. Sherline produces a high-quality line of miniature machine tools and accessories designed primarily to cut metal at a price that offers a great value to the customer. Accuracy and versatility have been prime requirements in the design process. Much of their sales have been to technicians, engineers, industrial customers, and colleges and universities. They also build custom machines based on their customers' needs. To keep up with the changing world and customer request, Sherline now offers ball screws on their machines. They have also improved their CNC control by partnering with Masso to offer a standalone operating system. Sherline's modern 66,000 square foot manufacturing facility is located about 35 miles north of San Diego. The factory has state-of-the-art computer-controlled machining centers and specialized machines that allow them to produce extremely accurate parts for their lathes, mills, and accessories. They plan to continue innovating and expanding in the years to come. Visit them at Sherline.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.